All right, it's not only Kraft Heinz, though, taking a major hit today. Billionaire Warren Buffett saw his Berkshire Hathaway investment in the food company tumble by about $4 billion. Berkshire Hathaway owns nearly 326 million shares in Kraft Heinz, and because of that, Barclays out slashing the company's earnings estimate following the news today. Yahoo Finance's Julia Roche joins us now to discuss. Julia, what's your take in terms of the hit that Warren Buffett's taking here?
Look, a $4 billion hit on his position in Kraft Heinz. Yes, it's his sixth largest stock holding. Is not going to crush Warren Buffett by any means. But look, he is the most legendary investor out there. So there is going to be a lot of attention on the position, just like there was a lot of attention on his Apple stake, which we know has also been under pressure. And that's his biggest equity holding. He has about $200 billion worth of stock holdings. But that's not all Berkshire Hathaway is. He has a lot of lines of businesses, whether it's in insurance, retail and service, manufacturing, railroads, you name it, he probably has it. But yes, Barclays did slash their estimate on earnings per share because Berkshire Hathaway will report its full year 2018 financial results tomorrow, and they will also be releasing Warren Buffett's highly anticipated shareholder letter, which is the must-read letter. I think it's the #1 letter that investors focus on. They wait for every single year. So there's a lot of questions that investors will be hoping Buffett will be addressing.
You're right. You're going to be, that's going to be highly watched, as it always is. But things might be clouded a bit there as investors continue to digest the Kraft Heinz surprise. What's your expectation in terms of that being addressed specifically in this letter, or are there other key things that you're going to be focusing on instead?
I would actually be surprised if this specifically came up, given the fact that that letter was probably written several days ago. If I had to guess, it's not like he's there writing it this evening, because this news was absolutely a shock to a lot of shareholders in Kraft Heinz, and Buffett being the largest one. Yes, it would be a shock, but I think there are a lot of other things that investors will be focused on from Mr. Buffett. In years past, he has more than $100 billion in cash sitting on the sidelines, and he has basically said in the past that valuations have been too high for him to do a deal. Now, I asked him at last year's annual meeting about this when we were in the scrum, and he said he's actually waiting on a call for someone to do a deal, to pull a trigger. He's got a lot of capital that he has to put to work, or could put to work rather, but that's not all. Investors will also want to hear his thoughts on the economy, the market. Maybe he'll weigh in on some trade, tax reform, who knows, perhaps some new ventures. He did team up, Berkshire teaming up with JP Morgan Chase and Amazon for that new healthcare venture. I would be curious about an update there. So there's a lot that I will be focused on, particularly some of those newer investments, JP Morgan Chase being one of them, and then exiting Oracle after entering Oracle in the third quarter of last year and then getting out in the fourth quarter. That is not a long-term play. So there's a lot that I will be looking for in that letter.
Julia, Jeannie here. What do you think about him touching on the fact that he needs to have somebody come after him and succeeding him? Do you think that he will mention that in his annual letter?
I think there's always questions around succession at Berkshire Hathaway because he's 88 years old. His right-hand man, Charlie Munger, turned 95 back in the new year. So, they are getting up there in age. Obviously, folks who are fans of Berkshire Hathaway, investors in Berkshire Hathaway, devotees of Buffett and Munger, hope that they do stay around a lot longer, that they have several more years. But there are always questions of succession. I'm not so sure if he'll actually address that. I think he said in years past that the person who would succeed him kind of already knows, but no one else really knows. So we don't know. It remains a mystery. A lot of theories out there, but that would be major news if that came out.
All right. Thanks so much, Julia Roche, bringing it down for us. Appreciate it. And stay